You said you didn't want. Let's sit back a bit.
Yeah, let's have all the chocolates first before the night.
Actually, I'll give you one that's not melted. Leave it open it. Give me that, I'll put it back in the bag. Give me the red one.
You want to take a video?
You know where we drive? Drive all the way to go to the...
Give me your arm, flying. Give me your arm. Never give me your arm. And the duck.
You hear that? I think it's coming in 2 minutes. 3, 2.
That's 2 seconds.
Do you like it, seeing the airplanes?
Yeah, when I'm...
Is it fun?
You also go on it.
Where do you want to go? Which country?
Turkey.
The wall slide was more fun.
Only Turkey. Do you want to go anywhere else?
He's only been to Turkey, doesn't know anyone.
Who's that paper? Who's that paper?
Yeah, who wants the cake first? I'll pass it to you.
Thank you.
Yummy.
No, how much this is. The one is melting.
Eat it.
Hey. So don't you have the painting?
Wait, you mean paintbrushes? No, he doesn't know the canvas.
Did you guys bring anything like canvas and paintbrushes?
That's always wrong. Oh my god. Look at your eyelashes. What? I don't want my eye to get big. No, he had a thing on his eye when. Oh, this is sticky.
Have you seen that challenge where, like, just say you have 2 minutes and I do like a bit of a painting, then I pass it on to you for 2 minutes, and you have to do something on there as well, and then like that. Should we do that? And then we see how what it ends up being.
I'm so bad at art.
Doesn't matter. Let's do whatever. I don't care.
Sticky.
Is it sticky? Come on, it's not. Actually, a bit there, a bit there.
I want to do mine on my own. Supposed to stick it on something.
Yeah, you can do one of their own, but for one of them, for my one, I want us 3 to do it, like 2 minutes each or something.
Okay.
It's small, isn't it? Let me open yours for you.
Give me. Done. Done. Here.
Here you go.
Where's my
This water is not for drinking, okay? It's to wash your brushes.
No.
You want to get a different colour.
Where's my big water? Where's my big water though?
Wait, I'll give it to you.
Oh my god, someone's drinking.
It's okay, it's okay. It had a bug in it, that's why.
Yeah, you the
The
what's
wasp
it called?
got on
Wasp?
it.
They went on there, they
Bee
pushed
was
it.
inside.
They pushed it and it came out. You don't want to drink it, do you? It's dirty.
The wasp.
They don't drink anyway. There's only one drink left. Water.
Yeah, drink water. Water's nice and healthy for you.
Water. Another one.
Oh, another one's coming.
I'm not gonna do it in time.
I bet all of these people are coming back from going to Ibiza.
Go do it.
Ibiza, whatever. What was it? What's it called? Ibiza.
Ibiza.
Ibiza. It's like when they go clubbing.
Vegas.
Nobody close here.
Okay.
What kind of paintings are you guys gonna do to remember today?
An egg.
I don't know what to do. An egg, did you say?
Karen's diner.
Yeah, I don't want to go there. That's scary.
I got
They'll
a,
bully you.
I got an interview for it.
You actually went there.
I didn't know that it was
Yeah.
like that until also told me.
Oh my god.
Can't believe it.
But it is fun.
I was thinking lol Karen's diner. I didn't know it actually meant Karen.
It is fun.
You been there?
No, like I've seen videos, people going there.
Okay.
Which one's light blue? I think this one. Isn't
I got some blue as well in the clinic.
it? Oh, is it light? Lighter than this? Sort of similar, isn't it?
Should we squeeze it a little bit out? If I only do a bit, okay.
When does it start though?
What are you gonna make first? Do you know? What are you gonna paint?
Miss Toothbrush.
Need a toothbrush. Paintbrush.
Put in water first a bit, yeah. And then paint it.
My screen's not bright enough. I can't even see the picture. I hate putting it like that.
Use some water to spread it then. You can paint this. You know how they do in nursery, where they paint the plates.
Oh god, that's
You
funny.
can do that, okay? After you painted your canvas.
I think I think I made don't make.
What did
I
I
just
make?
make a green dinosaur or something.
Did I make a green dinosaur?
Yeah, but make whatever you want.
I made a green dinosaur.
I'm gonna make a green. Why is it?
Do you want to start on it? You do first. You got 2 minutes to paint something.
Oh my gosh, my leg hurts. Cramp.
You know what?
Look at the
Hey, those are my brushes. Thank you. Why did you use the other brushes? don't want to lose this one.
Yeah. What to do, what to do.
Look at this, Dad.
What to do about
It's
nothing.
like a purple.
Check what time it comes now. The time now is 3:38.
Are you on Google Maps what time it comes? Yeah, 3:30. Go back to the 1 minute.
1 minute.
In case it's...
No. That's not.
Yes.
Oh, we got the whole bus to ourselves. Let's sit at the back.
I'm not going to be with you. I'm going to sit like that.
Sit there, sit there. So you don't fall.